So to create an alert, go to the indicator on the upper left and click Add Alert. Then in the condition section, you'll see the different alert conditions that are available in the indicator. Choose one. On the options, there are 4 types of alerts to choose from: only once per bar close and once per minute. If you pick only once, the alert will trigger only once and will never be repeated. If you pick once per bar close, the alert will trigger every time the condition is met at the bar close. This is what I normally use and what you should use too. This makes sure that all the signals coming from the indicator are confirmed and will never be invalidated. If you pick once per bar, the alert will trigger every time the condition is met, but not more than 1 per bar. Be careful when choosing this type of alert as your signals might still be invalidated. Lastly, if you pick once per minute, the alert will trigger every time the condition is met, but not more than 1 per minute. Going down, you can see different types of alert actions. You can toggle on or off these checkboxes to activate or deactivate them. Also, you can use these webhook URL to automate your trading. Just put the webhook URL of the webhook server right here. Third-party platforms like 3 Commas are one of many platforms that relies on this webhook URL when connecting to Tradingview alerts. On this example, we will name the alert buy signal. Then for the alert message, I will put something random. But, in the event of you want to automate your trade, most of the time, the only things you need to change are the webhook URL and the alert message. Click Create and you are good to go. Also, for this demo, I'll create another alert for the sell signal. Then if you click the alarm icon in the top right corner, you'll see all of the alerts you created. You can stop or start the alert by clicking this icon. And by clicking this settings icon, you can edit all the properties of the alert including the options, conditions, title and message. Click Save or Cancel when you are done. And if you want to remove an alert, just click the remove icon. It will clear up your space since Tradingview's alerts are limited depending on the type of your subscription. Once the alerts are triggered, it will appear here in the alerts log. After a few minutes, the buy signal was triggered. And that's all you need to know to get started.